Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, so I have another of the card kits, but I'm changing it up because we're going to do a little Christmas in July, but I wanted to share with you this new product as well. So this is, sorry about that. This is the Simple Stories card kit that we're going to be using, and I love it. It's all Christmas themed, but these are the new sticky folios by We Are Memory Keepers. And for this video, I definitely wanted to try it and show you what all comes with it. So you get the sheets, the tweezers, and then that flat end you use to rub down your pieces. And as always, they always give you the steps by steps of everything that they use to create the cards. And I've already got everything pulled for the item that we're going to do today. And you can see a little bit. I did one of the cards off camera, and you can kind of see the shapes of the gingerbread men kind of in the left side. And then in the other spaces, I'm just going to lay down all the bits that I can, trying to be careful, because you don't want to rub on the paper. It will pull up any of the dots. So it has sort of like a textured, a sticky, textured pattern. Okay, I'm going to try and hold it up so you can see, but it's a little difficult, okay, because it just kind of blends into the back of the papers. But all you do is you put your die cut pieces or whatever it is you want to turn into a sticker down, and then you rub with the flat end on top of the protective paper, right? So while it sits there, I'm going to go ahead and crease my card base, and we're going to get the base pattern paper down onto the base. And of course, lint and stuff always gets on things, so just ignore that little piece. So we're going to go ahead and get this attached to the front of the card. I always use my wet glue just to give me a little bit of wiggle room so I can make sure it's nice and even. And I was able to pull up the paper and kind of adjust it. And then I'm just going to rub it down. Okay, so now we're ready to go. I'm going to pull back the paper. I'm trying to get it pulled up. And I'm just showing you, I just want to make sure I knew what piece to grab first so I can start putting everything down. So I'm trying to pull up this one strip. And yeah, see, you can't really see it in the video here, but it's just some mild bubbles. And then I still use wet glue because though it is sticky, it's not like a super sticky. It almost feels like a washi tape. That's the only way I could explain it. Like, it's sticky, but if you put it down, it could very well come back up. That's what it feels like. So I just use my wet glue as well. The thing is, it just makes it so much easier instead of using your tape runner on everything. You know what I mean? Trying to put the tape on it. You put this down, rub it a few times, and then when you pick it up, it's got all those sticky adhesive dots on the back of the item. I think this is a good alternative since they don't make things like the Xyron, like the sticker maker. Oh my God, those were so popular. And I think I only got a few refills left, but they're hard to find, So this is a good alternative of something that was pretty much doing the same thing, right? Just turning everyday things or elements that we have into a sticker if we wanted to put adhesive on the back, So I highly suggest it. I liked it. I used it on a test card that I did first, which I'll show you at the end. And then I wanted to show me using it while putting this card together, okay? To show you that it's really easy to use. So real quick, I'm just going to grab my final 3 pieces. And then we just close it up. And pretty much that's it, You don't have to take it out. I have the other pages in the front in that pocket. So as this one gets full, and I don't have any more space to, put stuff down with, I'll take that one out and snap in the next one. And I believe they are going to be selling those sheets separate. You could see I also got like one, I think there's only one color folio that I didn't get. And the only reason why I wound up getting all like these three was because initially the blue one was out of stock. So I got the purple and the yellow, and I forgot that I had put it on my wish list, and then it popped up. So I was like, well, I'll just buy it. That way I don't have to worry about refills because I got three folios. But you don't have to get all three. You can just get one. My little scrapbook store does sell them, and I will have links to the store down below so you guys can go and check it out. And then you can just put the tweezers right back in the little holder, and I think I grabbed there it is, and I just put that right back around the folio and then put that to the side. Now in here, I just wanted to show you real quick all the different elements. Everything comes with it, and you have your card stock for doing the card bases, and then you have your two cards. It's very exciting. I love how these turned out. These cards, they always make me so excited, only because they're super cute, but I don't have to think. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I plan on going back to doing my card sketches and doing everything from scratch like I was, but right now I am really enjoying these pre-made cards and putting them together. So bear with me. I promise you we will go back to the old school way in a little while. Just humor me, okay? And it's Christmas in July. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I look forward to seeing you with our video next Friday. Have a great weekend.